everybody, welcome to Champion Trading Corporation. What we're showing you today, this is a final look at just finishing up now today, this Falcon ribbon blender. It's a stainless steel double ribbon blender. We've rebuilt the unit completely, as you can see. And we're going to go through each part of it with you and show you what we've done. Of course, the externally was originally painted, and because the underside was not really polished from the beginning, we've just coated it with a food grade white polymer based enamel, which is kind of a washable surface, FDA approved material, so it's great for food service. Inside is of course a food grade surface, which is what this blender will be going into. We're running through at 220 3-phase volt WEG wash down duty frequency controller. This allows you to change your speed on the fly whenever you want. It's got a lot of different functions, and like most of these controllers, you really gotta read or sit there and go through the book, because you can convert what you're seeing on the screen to RPMs, torque settings. Over the years, I've seen so many different options on these things, because of course the manufacturers want to sell as many of these as they can, so they make them do as many things that you could never believe you'd even want to have. Anyway, of course the unit is driven by its main drive right under here, and it's a belt driven contained in this stainless steel guard. We're going to replace the hand wheels with some bolts. It's really not against, it's kind of against regulation to do them like that, although it's a great convenience for everybody. There's only a belt and a pair of belt and pulleys inside there, but for service work it's great and easy, makes it nice and easy. We've got an on-shaft gear reducer. It's a Dodge. It's completely rebuilt as well. Double-ended pillow block bearings, all new. We've redesigned the seals, made them a little deeper. It's a standard packing land seal. New covers, center bottom discharge. The covers are two-piece. There is, as you can see, a proximity sensor wired on each side. The right side is meant to be the loading side, which has a dump grate underneath it. And you're going to see some dust all over it, because you're going to hear material moving inside the blender. We're operating it with a polishing compound right now. That's why the other side is all covered with dust. It's a polymer-based polishing compound. After we get done, we're going to remove the compound, give the blender a good clean and wash down, change the packings, and she'll be ready for her new home. Now you'll see on the far back here, you'll see another proximity sensor. That is hooked up to the dump grate you're going to see underneath here right now. So kind of warm in there too. The polishing compound creates a lot of friction and cleans really well. You'll see we have a fully gasketed surfaces. Ooh, that's dusty. And tighten these little swing bolts down a little bit. And it's nice and tight, no dust escaping. This is a real fine material, maybe about 60 mesh. So it's a good way to test and trial for most materials. In this case, it's a dairy related product. Anyway, we wanted to leave this cover so you could access that if you want to load while the blender is operating. Certain products you can do that. You see we put it on casters because this is a small facility. They need to move the blender around in and out, washing, things like that. We have lots of blenders like this in our stock, all types, twin shell, double cone, continuous blenders, paddles, and ribbons. Lots of process equipment as well as packaging. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks for joining us today. We look forward to speaking with you.